Do you guys struggle keeping your shop organized and your workbench clean? Does it look something like this? Or maybe this? How about getting it to look like this? The multiboard, ultimate tool organization for your shop, can all be 3D printed. We're going to show you how to do it next.
All right, let's get revved up and render ourselves a shelf.
We are ready to go. We got ourselves a little square tape measure, the Sharpie. Let's get rocking and rolling on the shelf. All right, we are back at it. We have gotten the workbench done. We've gotten the shelf up above done for Austin's shop.
Yep.
Now we're working on
This middle section.
multiboard. This whole monstrosity back here. So I've been printing tiles. I've been printing these tiles is what's going to make up the multiboard. And then they've got these snap caps to go in. These are the mounts. These mounts screw to the board, and then that just goes over it, and then a snap goes in there to keep it from coming off. We have an outlet on the wall that we need to cut a hole out for, so that's what we are going to work on now. Okay. Jigsaw time. Okay, good enough. We have a whole bunch of tiles here. There's 36 different tiles that we've printed for the multiboard. There's 3 different types of tiles that you want to use. This is what's called a core tile. Core tile has these points going down 2 sides. Then we have what's called an side tile. Side tile only has points on 1 side. Then we have a corner tile. Corner tile has no points on any side. This will be the last tile we put down in the corner. So these are all core tiles that make up this row here. Little Harbor Freight Persuasion. So that's how they clip on. I'm going to get a square out and we're going to screw those in and just continue on. We're just going to continue to put this together and then we'll screw it down.
Okay, let's get to it.
All right, we are making progress on this multiboard. We have all the tiles on, all the mounts are screwed down. Now we're just putting the caps on here, and they serve a dual purpose, not only to clean it up and you don't see the screws, but when you put the cap in, it spreads out the little mount to keep these tiles from popping off, because when you hang heavy tools from this, it can start pulling these off of the white mounts. So that's what the caps are for. So we have completed putting the tiles on. We've got all the caps on. It's looking good. We are gonna take it down and install it on the wall.
Ready to go. Very excited.
All right, she's home.
Oh yeah. Appreciate you, Shane. This is awesome. This is more than I could have done by myself. Way better than a pegboard.
The multi-board is coming along. accessories that they make for these things are ridiculous. You can literally find anything you want, an STL file that's made for the multi-board.
Or make anything you want.
Yeah.
You got that kind of artistic skill. I don't.
Like Sean.
Yeah, that's Sean.
This, I think, is a pretty useful way to use your 3D printer. Go out and find a system like this that you could buy from, say, a Home Depot or Lowe's or something. It is going to be expensive. We did this entire board right here for under 150 bucks. That is pretty cheap tool storage.
Hey you guys, so one of the things I wanted to do with this multi-board is show you guys where we actually get these parts from. There is a multi-board site that you can go to. It's multiboard.io. That's going to give you all the basic connectors and mounts, snaps, the different tiles, all those types of things that you're going to need to make the basic multi-board. But there are so many people out there that have rendered their own 3D models for these multi-boards, and you can literally go to just a handful of different sites and find different projects to print for your multi-board. And that's what I want to show you right now in this video, is where we go to search for that stuff. We're going to start with multi-board pencil holder, and we're looking for STL files. That's the type of file that we want to find, and then we'll generate that into a G code to use with the printer. Okay, so like here's Yagi, here's printables, here's Thangs. All of these sites are sites that you can go to, and 90% of the stuff on there is free. Every once in a while you'll see a price next to something. Somebody wants a couple bucks for their STL file, so you can download it and be able to use it. This is the pencil holder that I've used before. I like it. I know how it connects. I'm going click right here, download original file. Sometimes it'll give you different file types. Now it's actually downloading. We're going to see something pop up here. So let's just say you wanted to look for some plier holders. STL file, plier holders, we can look at images. And the one thing I didn't add up here is we want to put multi-board. Here's one from Thangs right here. This is one that I've printed out personally and used. I like it. And we're just going to click the download button. Now that we've showed you where you can go and what type of files to look for, downloads. Here we have our multi-board plier holder and our pencil cup. This is our slicing software. So now we just go to open file. Let's go to multi-board pencil cup. You can see it in here, and all we're going to do is just start the slice. It's going to slice this thing, which once it slices a STL file, it's telling the machine what to do every single layer it prints. So right now we're just waiting for it to slice. Once it's sliced, we can bring it over to the printer and we can actually just print it out. But that's what I want to do, is show you guys where we go to find these multi-board little trinkets and things you can print out. I've got a ton of different stuff on mine. We're just getting some more stuff buttoned up for Austin so it can be completely finished.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope it was informative. I hope it gets you exciting about what you can do with 3D printing. The one thing I never wanted to do when I first bought my 3D printer was print tchotchkes, keychains, and just garbage. If you like the video, please share, like, comment, subscribe. Reverender out.